Okay. Excellent. So yeah, there is a trap. And yeah, it looks like it's filled with gas. And yeah, there are grenades. Oh damn it. Oh, what should I do? And there is another trap. God. Who built this place? What are those arrows? It tells me to it tells me to step on this. And then I got hit by that tree trunk. It's 100% sure. Okay, I wouldn't do that, I just wanna test my assumption. So let's try. What's gonna happen now? Okay, nothing exploded. That's good news. Okay, should try to shoot down those grenades. How did this happen? Was there a mini nuke? Yeah, I think the only explanation is that there is a mini nuke. How is this happening? Out from nothing. Let's try this one. Yeah, that's definitely a mini nuke. Who would and why plant a mini nuke here inside? How did it get activated? At all. Well, I don't know if I got that. Let's try to do it again without those explosions. What the fuck? Why does it explode? That's an accident. No, everything should have exploded, right? But I think everything is waiting for me to enter. But okay, I survived it because I have God mod. Where is that mini nuke? What the fuck? Okay, this is the last time I'm gonna check it out. Won't explode, motherfucker. Okay, I don't know if that counts as a death. It's not fair. Okay, I should have died, I guess, but... Ah, damn it. Okay, we're fine. Right. Okay, one moment. Okay, it appears we are fine now. Nothing's gonna explode. But there are mini nukes planted here inside. There's no way I can... Okay, I'm just gonna pick up that loot. I hope nothing will explode. Maybe... I don't know where are those triggers. What triggers those explosives? I don't know. Yeah, I said deaths from mines don't count in that count. That they would need to load 2 hours earlier. Okay, nothing happened. There was that one book. Really wanna take that too. Oh my god, I can't carry anymore. Ah, damn it. Okay, I'm gonna drop some kills. Yeah, I guess the flashlight is making things explode. No, the flashlight is making that gas explode. Okay, we can try it out. Okay, I'm gonna make a save here outside. Oh, perfect, the weather has changed. I think it's gonna rain. So now when I turn on the flashlight, so that's a good and a bad thing. It's good because I completed receiver crippling injury. I completed it perfectly, only I died. So with my flashlight I can trigger those gases. That's a good thing, and that's how I caused that explosion at Pinkerton's place. But the bad thing is that can get me dead. So yeah, that makes no sense that flashlight can turn on. Don't guess it fires, so I guess those deaths don't count. That's fair. Okay, I have already a lot of stuff. Oh, he sure looks better now. I don't know if I should go to Evergreen Mills today. This in-game day. Malcolm can still carry a lot. I'm just interested. What are all the other things that